All right, well, we're back here for another Energy Can Man review. I'm pretty excited about this one. I even came, this is my lunchtime. I came on break real quick and tried it out. Like I said, earlier this morning, I had one of these, the Monsters Ultra Watermelon. It just didn't have enough caffeine. I know, because all week I've been doing reviews on the C4s, the 200 milligrams a can. This is 150. I had to concentrate, I had to focus from all the B vitamins that it gives you. It does have a lot of B, but yeah, there wasn't enough caffeine to get me really get the gear turning real good there. Like it felt like I was in motion, but I didn't want really in the mood to get it. But now I try this because I ain't never had these. I've not really been a big tea guy in my energy drink, but I'm trying to get Monster Rehab tea plus the lemonade, and I don't know. It's completely different when you energy drink now. It's kind of interesting. I'm kind of learning this as I'm going with y'all. But it says 5% juice, which most of them don't have juice in it. And it also did say like the tea may settle because they had tea, so shake gently. I've already kind of cracked it. Like that's what I did. I shook it up and it cracked, and there's a little bit of carbon, a little bit of sprayed on me a little bit, but that wasn't too bad. It also got the calories for it. While I'm looking at it, it's like 25 calories. Only 3 grams of extra sugar, included sugar, calcium, potassium, niacin, vitamin B6. Niacin is like B3 essentially is 240. And then you got 230 for the B6, 480 for the B12. That's a lot. And the phosphorus and magnesium at 4 6%. The B5 is at 390. So it does got a lot of high on the vitamins. I mean, it's really, really high for the vitamins. It's got 160. I'm looking for 160 milligrams per can. So it ain't much. It's only but 10% more than the Monster Ultras. Like I said, so it ain't much more, but I don't know. This one seems like it's got a little more kick to it. I don't know if it's from, but it also does stay on the can. I was gonna read here, but it's got all this little side stuff here, so I'm gonna read them out. It's got advanced hydration, electrolyte, the Na plus K plus Ca, and plus Mg. It said reduce fatigue. It's increased concentration, vitamin B3, B6, B5, and B12. It's got coconut water in it. Well, I'm kind of surprised, but that's really good. Coconut water in your drink. And botanical milk thistle quarantine. I don't know what that one is. So, but man, I really tried a little bit at break. Like I said, now I go ahead and tell you, I'm gonna pour it out here. Got me a cup of ice and pour it out. Like I said, let's just see y'all. And I'll be honest, it's like a brownish yellow. And for what I first get when I taste this, I taste old-fashioned brisk, like the old-fashioned brisk tea. That's what it tastes like. I mean, it tastes just like a brisk tea, but it's got probably a lot more. It got less sugar in. Brisk got a lot of sugar in it, so it got less sugar in it, more caffeine, and got B vitamins added to it. So I was surprised it got coconut water in it. I don't really taste the coconut water. Most of the time you can kind of taste the coconut water. It don't really. I think the tea just hides underneath it. Like you can look at it and tell it's got the coconut water in it, but you can't taste it. So, like they shake it up a little bit like that. I mean, I got some tea at the bottom there. You can't really tell. Yeah, it's like some brownish yellow, like that ain't the most pleasant looking, energy drink, but I gotta admit it tastes really good. I mean, if you like a brisk tea, man, you really like this energy drink here. So, but it's another thing like hydrate. I think from the coconut water really does do the trick for this energy drink. Now I will say later on, as we like I said, this is the Rehab Monster Tea and Lemonade. That's how I just give it a try. I saw it at the store. And I was like, all right, well, we'll try this. I said, there's something different. I want to try something different. That's the whole point of this video, just try a lot of different things, because I've kind of always stuck with the same thing. And then you do see energy drink come in and out. Like there'll be one that come in that have to be like a little fad, or I'll try them. I like them, but then it's just like they don't catch on. Other people don't like them, so then they just go, well, you got to look at the gas station to get them. That's one nut treat. Like one gas station might get better service with the rock stars than to compare like somebody else gets with the monsters or some situations. But also, I got a new video coming up. I'm gonna be doing it this weekend. They are like Dodge. Well, they're pretty much a dollar only energy drink. There's two brands that at my local Dollar General I've had drunk before, and they were like the budget energy drinks. I'm gonna do a review on them. There's like several different kinds, flavors. So I figured it'd be interesting to kind of start off like a budget one and go from there. So that's kind of next plan on some of the ideas. But I really like this tea here though. I gotta admit, I really like it. And the reason I like it because I thought about doing something like that. I had an idea of taking like an energy drink and getting some coconut water and like do like what I do now with these. I get a half cup of ice, pour my coconut water in there, and then pour the energy drink in there, and see if it actually would hydrate you even better, make you more focused or anything like that. And this tea kind of has already got it in it. I don't know how much of the tea is in there, but this one here, I gotta admit, it was actually pretty impressive. Like I said, most tea ones, I think the difference is too, it's not got green tea in it. Like the green tea is like very strong, overpowering most time, and you can really taste it. Unless something really, really strong is there to kind of take over the flavor. But since it seems like it's just regular tea, it kind of goes really good. It's just a good mellow lemonade tea. Because the lemonade's still stronger than the tea, I want to say, but there's definitely enough there. It kind of mellows out the lemonade. So that's all that the tea's doing. So that's all that I got on this video for the Monster Rehab tea plus lemonade. Like I said, all pretty good. I would say the taste, I would give it a good 7. Like that's got to be, I actually like this. Like I could see me drinking another one of this and not be like, yeah. So you want to be just a drink and it goes down nice and easy. Kind of like for them, I got this one this morning. And if I don't drink any drink within 30 minutes, I mean, then there's something wrong. Like I didn't like it for some reason. And it took me, I drank it before I got in the car. I got an hour ride to work. I come to work, and then I still had to force myself to drink it. So that tells you right there, I didn't really care for this energy drink. I mean, everybody, like I said, it didn't have a real strong watermelon flavor to me. But this one here, man, I really liked it. I mean, I actually got to admit, it ain't blowing me away. It ain't knocking my socks off, but it's a good drink. I would say I like it. I would say the taste, like I said, about a 7. And that's probably what I would give the grade on for the energy effectiveness is probably a 7 too. Because like I said, I was able to crack this open at break time, get a little cup out of it, and try it. I kind of cheated on the video on this one, but I just got to admit, it gave me that last little perk I needed that I was missing from the first energy drink this morning. Like I'm just building my tolerance. I need like a 200 can, like so 150, 160. Yeah, they just don't really do it for me. Like I said, I mean, I'll still wake up, but this definitely did. When I took this as a break, I came back, I was able to kind of focus a little more about it, get a little more motivated at work to get get the work done and everything. So, all right then. So that, like I said, and I keep forgetting on these is like I said, like, subscribe, write a comment. You see what energy drink you like, you ain't sure about buying it, hey, just write down the comment. I'll look at it, see if I can find it. I'll try it for you. Don't send me up on a dummy mission, but definitely give me opinions or anything. Or if you had this, write down, hey, I've had these, I've drunk these for years, don't know, didn't care, didn't like it, whatever. Just comment, and then like I said, like and subscribe. All right, then y'all have a good one afternoon, and then like I said, another video from Energy Can Man Reviews.